Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Brawl Stars on PC. Bluestacks is a fantastic Android emulator that lets you run mobile games directly on your computer. First, you will need to download the Bluestacks application from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a modern processor, to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Once downloaded, run the Bluestacks installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Bluestacks. You will then need to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on a new Android phone. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you will find Brawl Stars. With Bluestacks set up and your Google account linked, navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator. Use the search bar at the top to find Brawl Stars. Once you locate the game, click the Install button. After the download and installation are complete, you can simply click the game icon on the Bluestacks home screen to launch Brawl Stars and begin playing. To enhance your gaming, explore Bluestacks settings to optimize performance, perhaps allocating more CPU cores or RAM. Crucially, customize your keyboard controls for Brawl Stars. You can map movement to WASD and attacks to other keys, offering far greater precision than touch controls. Playing on PC provides a larger view and superior control, giving you a competitive edge in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.